Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journeys to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here, we do budgeting, digital budgeting, zero-based balance, single budgeter on a moderate income. If any of that just tickles your fancy or you feel like, oh, this is something I want to watch, then definitely hit that subscribe button for your girl. Today, we're going to be closing out our paycheck one of what month we in May, and we're going to allocate our paycheck two of May. And let's get moving. Let me make a small face with myself over here. And let's go to trying to close out the last one. So it looks like the last thing we wrote in, let's check, let's get to the bank. Get to the money. Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. All right. 223, 224. So all the things in bright green are things that have already cleared, and the things in blue or a different color are things we need to make sure cleared for this first paycheck. So these were all monies that I took out for our sinking funds, zero challenge, all of that. Now this is tax money we moved over, which is green. We already knew about that. I'm just trying to find where we were in this process. 1982, money that went to the House Emergency Fund. And that, okay, House Emergency Fund. And the dollar finally came out for the Navy Federal. So Comcast, all right, $89.67. We thought it was going to be $99, but it actually was $89.67. And so we can mark that green. My face over here. And yes, so that cleared. Then we have 78.26 beauty stuff. Okay, so all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, they all came out to pay the credit card off. Yes. So what we'll do then is we'll add in money and make sure none of them are in here. That's not a good place for my face. No. All right. So let's get the calculator going. Always over my face. It's hilarious to me. So 78.26 plus 55.58 plus 14.99 plus 105. That's 253.83. So we're gonna just put it here. 253.83. And these are all monies that were moved from other accounts to pay the credit card off. So we'll put 253.83 here. That should kind of zero each other out. So bum bum bum, and there's the actual payment to the card, 253.83, which we've already put here. Let's make it green. Now we have a withdrawal of $80 for what did I take $80 out for? Y'all want to tell me? Okay, I took $80 out, $25 out for the Zumba anniversary. I ended up taking 30, not 25. So make that 30 because I don't know why I thought I could take $5 out in an ATM. No, no, ma'am. And then I took 50. So 50 plus 30 is 80. And that 50, as you guys know, was for my grandma's gift. So that's also green. That's the $80. Okay, now we have $12 coming out for, okay, so I supported a small business. She had these juices. Um, like a healthy juice. If you watch my What I Eat a Day, you would have seen that, and on my other channel, and that's green. So that's good. And then I got paid 98.77, guys. So 98.77 is for this little part-time at-home thing that honestly is not really working out. I wanted to share it with you guys, but I wanted to try it first. Someone else told me about it, and so I did sign up for it, and I got approved. And they said that, like, I had a job, I work from home job from May 1st to June 10th. You guys, honestly, that $98 is from me training, and I've only worked like 3 hours, and not because I didn't want to, but because they didn't have anything to kind of score. It's like a scoring job, so it's not really working out for me per se, but I'm grateful for this $98. So there's $98 of basically miscellaneous income that came in. And here we'll put it in miscellaneous income. So we're going to add $98.77. Boom, like that. And we'll get back to that. So we have $34.32. That was our water. So that did come out just as expected. We can change that from blue to green. And then we have $25. What is this? Oh, I did, like I said, I sent the money over to Upset the World is the name of the thing. It's where I sent my tithes from being paid that extra check money. So that's $25 cleared. And um and then we're up to our payment. So our next paycheck. So let me see what we've got missing here. The Canon Master, it didn't seem like it came out to after the paycheck. So we'll move it over here, 1065, and we'll make it blue. And then we'll make this um, reset to nothing, and we'll delete this money. So we have everything green except for our buffer amount, which we'll take out and make that like that. And so it says we're supposed to have, it says 176, 43 is left over here. But it's just weird because here it says we had, is it 235? So let me see, 235.75 minus, what do we have? 176.43, 59.32. Do we have anything for 59.32 that I missed? We have 59.86. What was that for? 932. That's such a weird number. Oh no, there it is. 176.43. Y'all ain't tell me I was on the wrong line. I play too much. There's the 176.43. I'm like, what? That doesn't make sense. 176.43 is our rollover. Oh my gosh, look at all that money. However, $98.77. We're gonna take $10 of this for giving or tithes. So, because that's extra money we didn't see coming in. So that's definitely coming out. So $10 is going to go into the giving account. And I have, Lord, let me tell you, when I tell you the Lord will find a way to get his money, he will find a way to get his money. So I'm going to start putting it aside. So I'm going to put $10 in giving. I don't even know if I have a giving savings account anymore, but we do have $176.43 in rollover. So let's handle that now. I might make this two different videos because I don't want this to be too long. So let's make this in a, I like my greens. This is money we're going to allocate now. Let's work on allocating this. So today's video is actually just going to be me closing out our second check. Then I'll come back and allocate our next check. So 176.43. We already know $10 is going to giving. So let's go ahead and transfer from here to where can we put this giving money? I feel like it's gonna go in. Oh, do I have a treat your friends account? Treat your friends. Treat your friends. Yes. We'll put that $10 and treat your friends because same thing. Giving, transfer, boom, success. So that's been taken care of. So we're going to put that $10 went into treat your friends and giving slash giving. And that can be green because that was moved. And then we have, don't be rude. Then we have, I'll make this zero because we have 166.43 left. I spent some money on something, but that came out of somewhere. So let's move it to $10. Raffle. Ah, look at that. I already gave it away. I forgot about that. I should have just left it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll leave that there. All right. So I'm going to put that $10 is going to a raffle. As you guys see, we're just going to accolade what? We're going to um, account for it here. This $10 is a raffle that I signed up for when I was doing the Habitat for Humanity this weekend. And that's kind of like giving. And I should have just gave that $10 to that, but that's okay. We're going to do another $10 and we're going to call it giving. And I'm just going to add it here, not to confuse myself. And this is for the raffle ticket. And this will just add in another $10 to that. Did I do it? No, that is not that ain't it, sis. There it is, 20. Let me make this back to zero. So we have $156.43 left, which if you know, like I know, baby, it's going to emergency, the house fund, which I need to change the name of. So I was mentioning in another vlog that I really want to change the name of my house emergency fund to my humble home because I have just been struggling with it being called an emergency fund when I just want to be able to do things that I want to do for my house out of it. So I'm going to change that to just back to my humble home account. And that way, whatever I want to do for my house is can come out of there without me feeling any stress about it. But that account has been taking a hit and I didn't even know I had this much money left. Look, it's under $1,000. So I'm so grateful that we have this 156.43 going in because baby, 99 Tara. We have I don't know 949.09. We're gonna add 156.43. Thank you, Jesus. We'll be over 1,000 again. I mean, God is good all the time. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and transfer $156 to my humble home right there on the top. 156.43 and that is going to my humble home. Transfer success. Yes, come through. Look at God. I don't know why I got 1.5 something. Oh no, that's the other account. Okay, cool. So we're gonna make this clear. Reset that. Why I'm recording a video. So there's 156.43. Actually went to my humble home. So we're gonna add 146.43. 156.43, and now we're at a zero-based budget. Everything is green, everything has been accounted for, and we're at a zero-based budget. So thank you all so much for watching me today. I know I said I was going to do everything, but this video is almost 15 minutes already. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here. We've reconciled for our February paycheck. February. Why do I always think we're in February? I don't know why I keep doing that. Our first paycheck in May has been closed out. Everything has been accounted for. And I'll see you guys probably in the same shirt and outfit to go ahead and allocate for our second paycheck of May next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful blessed day. Remember, all things are working out for those who believe in God and have, it's always faith over fear, but not just this year, but what? Forever, ever, ever, forever, ever. Forever, ever. Forever, ever. Bye. Jazz hands.